The sneezing contest. Benny the bunny and Felix the fox both claimed to have the biggest sneeze in the forest. So, they decided to have a sneezing contest. Benny wiggled his nose, sniffed a dandelion, and, achoo! It made the leaves tremble. Felix twitched his whiskers, sniffed some pepper, and achoo! It sent a butterfly tumbling. But just as they were about to declare a winner, a tiny ant nearby sniffled. Achoo! The sneeze was so powerful it sent Benny rolling, Felix spinning, and even shook the tallest tree. Benny and Felix stared in shock. Then they both burst out laughing. Neither of them won the contest that day, but the ant sure did.